When we first spent time with the Jabra Elite 65Ts earlier this year, they quickly topped our list of the best fully wireless headphones you could buy. Jabra is back with a new Elite Active 65T, and we actually like them even more than the originals. Here's why. So the Elite Active 65T are actually identical to the Elite 65T in every way except for that they have an IP56 rating. And what that means to you is that they're fully waterproof. You can take them out in the rain, you can take them out on long sweaty runs, and you never have to worry about any water or sweat damaging your headphones. And that's an important distinction from the original model, and one that the company is charging about $20 more than the original model for. You might not think that that's worth the 20 bucks, but let me tell you, it absolutely is. Because when you are biking home from work in the rain, when you're going on that long summer run, when you're doing yard work in your garden, these are the kind of headphones that you never have to worry about damaging. They're the kind of thing that you can just put in, forget about, and go about whatever you're doing. And that's something that we've really been yearning for in the fully wireless space, and something that fully wireless headphones and the convenience that comes with them being fully wireless really haven't seemed to fully embrace quite yet. And so it's very exciting to have a product that does that. Because they're the same as the Elite 65T in virtually every way, you get the same 5 hours of battery life, you get the same 2 charges in the case, the same great ergonomic design. These actually look so much like the earlier Jabra earpieces you might have worn in the mid-2000s, but just a shrunk down version, and they fit really great in your ears, so there's great passive noise isolation. The buttons and the controls on these are very simple. There's 2 buttons on the left of your phone, 1 button on the right, and they even feature technology that the company calls Hear Through, which allows you to hear a little bit of the outside world. And that is actually even more useful on the active model, because when you're out on a run, you want to hear when a car is honking at you. When you're riding your bike, you want to make sure that you're being safe. And when you have a headphone that's sweat-proof, it's even more important when you're working out to be able to hear the world around you. If you want some more details about why we like the original model so much, we recommend you check out our review video and our full review for those. But basically everything we loved about those headphones applies here, plus their sweat-proofing. Because they maintain everything we loved about the original model and just add sweat-proof functionality to them, we love the Elite Active 65T, and if you are looking to cut the cord on your listening life, we highly recommend that you check these out.